I just spent 24 hours in Little Rock, Arkansas on my first visit to the city. I flew in from New York City expecting warmer weather, but it was just as cold. I didn't know what to expect, but I found great museums, great barbecue, and plenty to explore in just one day.
Room tour. Yeah, sure. We have just arrived in Little Rock to our hotel. We're gonna have a full day of exploring tomorrow. This is Mercedes. How cute! Okay, and that's the room tour.
Mercedes and I traveled separately, but both arrived at the hotel around 8, so we were looking for a restaurant that was open late, and we found Petit Keet, and it was delicious.
The calamari. Oh, they're huge. What'd you order again? Just salmon? It looks good. A wedge salad.
The oatmeal was in the other.
Good? Of the salmon?
Morning. So, Mercedes and I are going to the downtown River District in Little Rock, Arkansas, and our first stop is going to be Mosaic Templars Cultural Center, which is a museum. So, I'll show you when we get there. We tried one entrance and they don't seem to be open. It says Saturday 9 to 5. No? That sucks. So this museum wasn't open, so we're going to go to our plan B, which is the Museum of Fine Arts a few blocks away. Biscuit, coffee.
Do you all know how long the wait is?
May I have a coffee and a sausage biscuit? That's all.
So here's a reminder to look at life that's pouring into you. So my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it, hearing it, in the end you must feel. Forget about all you know, you need to go, it's okay to let go. Just let it go, go, go. Then you're breathing in.
Oh, that pancake look good. I got a sausage biscuit.
And here, I always buy coffee everywhere I go. I love a good gift store.
Hold on tight, there's a storm standing in the eye. When it rains, it pours, and you sure know how to make me cry. Thank God for the moon and how she lights up the sky tonight.
There's so much public art. Damn car!
Recommend going to Electric Ghost. They have very cute t-shirts in there, and the woman in there was very lovely. She explained that this is SoMa, which is South Main Street, and it has lots of cute shops and art galleries and restaurants. And she was saying that their downtown is kind of a ghost town and they're in the middle of revitalizing it, but it's very nice walking. And right now we're going to the Purse Museum, which she also recommended. Museum, and the woman who let us in was saying that all the purses come from the owner and he has private collection.
There's a place for all four seats.
We're at the Museum of Fine Arts now, and we're gonna go inside. Oh yeah. She must have done it here.
Yeah, no, you could not.